Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to fix database error. Your site option table is missing its auto increment attribute and your site will not function correctly without it. Please restore it immediately in WordPress. So we are in WordPress dashboard. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So if you have database backup, then you can restore it. Otherwise, we are going to add auto increment key to option table. Now you see option table missing its auto increment. Now go to phpmyadmin. So we are in phpmyadmin and we are in option table. Now you see structure, so click on it. So we are going to set auto increment. So we are in structure and then you see option underscore ID. So we are going to set this table field auto increment key. Now you see change, so click on it and then you see AI auto increment. Enable this option and then click on save. Query error 1062 alter table causes auto increment resequencing resulting in duplicate entry 14 key primary. So when we try to set option ID auto increment, then we face this error. So we are going to fix it. So this error caused because we have 0 ID. Now go to browse table data, so click on it and then you see option ID we have 0. So when we try to add auto increment key for this option ID, then we see error. So we are going to fix it. So there are multiple ways to fix this issue. Now you see option ID. So you can add any other unique number or primary number and then you can go to structure, click on change and then set auto increment. So this error indicates that during an alter table operation, MySQL attempted to resequence the auto increment column and in doing so tried to assign the value of 1 to a row, but a row with primary key value 1 already exists in the table. This violates the unique constraint of the primary key. Now you see, so our option ID value is 0 and 1. So we are going to replace it with higher number temporary and after adding auto increment, then we are going to set 0 and 1 again for this. Now go to 10 and now you see our maximum number is 24071. So we are going to assign 0 and 1 to 24072, 24073. Now go to 1 again. Now we are going to change it. Now you see we change option ID 0 to 24072 and 1 to 24073. Now go to structure again. Now go to change. Now set auto increment and then click on save for option ID. Now you see table option has been altered successfully. So our issue is fixed. Now go to dashboard again and refresh the page. Now you see database error is gone on WordPress dashboard. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.